Moving on now, a federal judge in New York has ordered the unsealing of grand jury records on Jeffrey Epstein, the latest in a series of court decisions pushing for greater public access to documents connected to the convicted sex offender. On Wednesday, U.S. District Judge Richard Berman ruled that grand jury materials from Epstein's 2019 federal case will be made public. Now, that case, involving accusations of sexually exploiting minors, ended abruptly after Epstein's suicide in prison during the pre-trial detention. Grand jury records are generally kept secret, but Judge Berman pointed to a bill that President Donald Trump signed last month requiring the Justice Department to release all unclassified records regarding the disgraced financier by December 19th. On Tuesday, another federal judge agreed to unseal grand jury documents associated with the investigation of Ghislaine Maxwell. Now, Epstein's longtime associate Maxwell is serving a 20-year federal sentence for trafficking minors. Additionally, a Florida judge has ordered the release of grand jury transcripts from the state's earlier investigation of Epstein, which resulted in his 2008 plea of soliciting a minor for prostitution. There is no guarantee that the new documents will contain new revelations, and it remains unclear exactly when and how the Justice Department will release all the documents to the public. Epstein's case has remained politically charged for years, with President Trump, once a close friend of the financier, fighting for months to prevent the release of files about him held by the Justice Department. Trump and some of his allies had long suggested that political figures, particularly Democrats, were shielded from scrutiny in the Epstein saga, portraying the case as symbolic of how wealthy and well-connected individuals can evade accountability.